bago ako mag-unbox, review muna natin tong wireless microphone na gamit ko. I think this is the perfect time to test this out. So, hindi ko construction dito sa kabilang bahay. Mag-unbox dapat talaga ako and I don't know. Look at this Shisuo A6. So, this is like a popular mic na nakikita nyo sa market. And ito yung size niya. So, this is the sound with the noise cancellation turned on. And papatayin ko yung noise cancellation. Ayan, ito yung pinaka-sound ng microphone niya without enhancement. So, this is called acoustic mode. And this mode naman is reverb. So, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So, may reverb yung ating wireless mic. And so, yung color red na yon is mute. Meron din siya pang Type-C na receiver. And also, meron ding dalawang dead cat, magnetic clip na ipapalit mo dito sa mismong microphone if you want to clip it. And ikakabit mo lang to magnetic clip. So, pwede mo siyang isabit kahit saan. Pwede mo i-clip. If you're interested with this one, I'll just leave the link down below and follow for more.